Welcome to a new episode of All Things Wild-CLS. On this episode, we will be looking at large garden snail care. So, we will be talking about where to keep them, how to keep them, and what to feed them. So, these are probably one of the easiest pets, I would say, to keep. So, I have had these 9 snails now for a few months, but I've been keeping them in this small habitat right here, which is an okay house for a small amount of time, but not for a long time period. So if you're looking to keep them for a while, I have this about 40-gallon fish tank here. So, now that I have told you what kind of tank, now we will dive in to the real thing. So in here, if you can see, I have a piece of wood, some food, which I have is lettuce right now. I have a fake wood with fake plants on it. You don't use real plants because the snails will eat it. And then you have this piece of wood, which is a hide. Sometimes snails like to hide, and sometimes they don't. So as you see, they are very good climbers. If you can see that one up here, right there, and they are all on the walls and everything, so you need to make sure you have a sealed container. Since it is a fish tank, I had to seal it off right here with just duct tape on both sides. So, here's the one climbing on the lid right now. So, as you see, I just have gravel in it, which is not going to hurt the snails. Just make sure that they are not going to lay any more eggs. I've already had one egg clutch, and I will make a video of the babies on the next episode. So as you see right here, you have 2 snails on the lettuce. So lettuce is a good dietary source. It will give them nice vitamins and minerals and stuff. But green stuff like this, should be like their main thing to eat. But it does not give them the calcium to build up their shells. So that is the white that you see over here. So the white is actually just crushed up eggshell. So you're just going to crush up the eggshell, you add a little water to it, and then you just keep crushing up until you have a nice paste, and that is what you are going to be using. So in here, right there, you can feed them lettuce, you can feed them spinach and celery and all kinds of stuff like that, and that will be perfect for them. So, and then for cleaning, you want to just clean the whole tank like once a month or so, and that will make sure that they stay very clean and everything. And then clean, like just spot clean and everything, just like once a week or one would be okay. And you can leave these guys for a while because just like give them a leaf of lettuce like this and they will be fine. So they are very social, so you would like to house them in groups, not by themselves. So, all in here is just the natural stuff. These are actually natural river rocks, and most of it's natural. The only thing that is not natural is the wood right there, the fake wood, which is actually an aquarium wood, but we are using it for this purpose. So, with all that, we are going to go on to heat and humidity. So, with the humidity, you want to keep it pretty humid so they don't dry out, because if they dry out, then they die. So, you really want to mist it like a few times a week. I would say about 2 times a week you can mist it if it is totally sealed. If you have a screen lid or something, you would want to mist it once daily. So you just need to make sure it's not smelling bad or molding or anything, because that can kill your snails too. And make sure that you do not release these snails, because they can become an invasive species and can kill a whole bunch of crops and everything. And then the heat. You want it warm, but not too hot for them to survive. And you want to have a good amount of light. So when the sun comes up, go ahead and turn on the light. When it goes down, turn it off. And that is about all we have for how to keep large garden snails. Thank you for watching.